Should your garage door neglecting to open each time you employ your remote? Perhaps it really is opening slowly, or getting stuck halfway. Maybe you have noticed that it is making strange noises, or that it is bouncing as soon as it reaches the bottom. These are common problems that lots of people will face when they have a garage door that is certainly malfunctioning. These problems can be both electrical and physical by nature. As an alternative to attempting to resolve these issues all by yourself, it could be better to do business with a professional business. That is why you should consider using my company as Garage Door Remote Aurora, Illinois if you wish to have your garage door repaired this week.